Scared the shit out of me, mate. Oh.
Yeah, you would have heard the guns go off. Wait, no, this isn't an AI active.
No AI. Yeah, fuck, it's just for hopping in, man. They're all over me, man. Fucking 3 of them.
Hey, if you want to run around and blow up some watchtowers, I got 4 HEs.
Oh, yeah, well, there's one on the southwest. You can come with me if you want. Kill the QRF.
Okay, cool. I tossed 2 HEs inside your car.
Jeez, just gotta get repairs first. You got a radio, right? Oh, there they are. Guess the gig's up.
I'll stay here and guard if you want to take some of those supplies back.
Yeah, I'm doing it. There's more ammo here, bro. Plenty more ammo in this box here, SMG. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Lasted a good 2 hours, fuck. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back soon.
Yep. Go. Stop fucking dog shit game. Fucking dog shit game.